Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BCRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, no doubt about it, today was a very, very nice bounce. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but where it closed right here relative to where it was during the low points, I think everybody can agree this was a good solid bounce on the day. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, fake bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. It makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at $4.75. Why is $4.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. Or in our case, the bounce is going to keep on bouncing. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price essentially back down in this range where it was during the low points of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and then bounces around on top of the previous range and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, then you'd have some nice healthy stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves are going to do. If this bounce is going to keep on bouncing, then it's got to build those upward stair steps. And I'm just defining that, first kind of level where it's showing quote unquote progress as $4.75. As far as levels of resistance, pretty straightforward here. It's all about the moving averages. Initial area is going to be the purple line right there, the 50 period. You can see price hovered right up around it there, is getting well within the range there. If the price can push through there, then the next key one is its big brother up there, the 200 period simple moving average. You can see that one's already knocked down the price before. So, one step at a time, but as far as resistance levels, keep an eye on those moving averages. By no means am I saying the price has to break through levels of resistance tomorrow. At this point, at least in my opinion, top priority is not breaking resistances, however, building higher stair steps and putting in those higher lows. So, very nice bounce today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.